Hi there guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but just done a 10 mile, almost 10:45 mile jog, and it's painful, so I don't know if I'm getting up for college tomorrow to do my GCSEs. Hopefully I am, because I need to do it, but I've just come up on here to say that I am going to make a video later about relationship goals, because I was trying to do it yesterday but my phone died on me and it wouldn't charge. So tonight I've got it working. I was going to use my GoPro but I can't be bothered to. So I might actually use it, I don't know yet. Just keep an eye out for it. And I'm just in pain, so I need to get in the shower to sort out the pain. And while I was on my jog, I almost got hit in the face, that side of the face, by a 13-year-old, I think, while I was out jogging, and I had pain in my right foot and the back of my leg. And she come over and crossed onto me, try and swing for me for no reason. And I've never even met this girl. And she was with a bunch of friends, crossed over the path of a friend, swung for me. And I was about to go, do you know what course I'm doing and do you know who I am? But I didn't. I went onto the road with a car behind me, and I was that close from getting hit from the car, all because I dodged that silly little person. So yeah, and I went straight to the police while I was on my jog, and I reported it, and they're going to investigate, I believe, if anything pops up. So yeah, so I'm going to leave it here, and then I'll see you guys later.